Welcome students to my class. Today's topic is bank reconciliation statement, an important chapter of accountancy. Before I start my class, I want to share a news with the students and listeners of my videos that my book on accountancy, Accounting Problem a New Approach, published by Mainstream Publication Kolkata, meant for class 11 students for ISC and CBSE board is now available at Amazon. Interested students may get the book from Amazon. Thank you. Let's start the class. Today's topic is bank reconciliation statement. So first we shall know what is bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement is a document containing a document or report containing causes of differences between bank balance as per cash book and that of bank statement or passbook on a particular date, with a view to bring a parity between the above two balances and to verify the bank balance in the process. The main purpose of preparing BRS is to see whether there is any discrepancy either in the company's cash book or that of passbook, and to verify the bank balance on a particular date. Now, why these two balances disagree on a particular date? There are many reasons. For example, check deposited with bank is recorded first in cash book, then it is cleared by bank, and then it is entered in the statement or passbook. It gets time. If the check so deposited is not cleared within the date of reconciliation, the two balances will not agree. So also check issued by bank is first recorded in cash book, and if that check is not encashed within the date of reconciliation, the two balances will disagree. Some charges are deducted by bank from bank balances in the passbook. If that charges are not recorded in the cash book on the date of reconciliation, the two balances will not agree. Some payments are made by bank as per company's standing instructions. If those payments are not recorded in cash book in time, the two balances also do not agree. So these are the common differences between common causes of difference between the difference between the two balances of cash book and passbook. So what we do, we make a statement on a particular date and bring out the disparities by comparing the cash book and passbook on a particular date during a particular period. The BRS may be done weekly, fortnightly, monthly, half yearly, or annually, as the case may be, as required by the management. It depends on the volume of transaction of that particular unit. The two balances is verified, the two entries as made in cash book is verified with the entries as disclosed by bank statement or passbook. The causes of discrepancies are listed out, and those are considered in the statement. That statement is called BRS. And if after consideration of those disparities or discrepancies, the two balances agree, then we can safely say that bank balance as disclosed by cash book is authentic and can safely take to balance sheet for preparation of annual accounts and balance sheet. So these are the main definition and purpose of BRS. The main purpose of BRS is to detect any error, either in terms of deposit or in terms of withdrawal. There may be some unauthorized withdrawals without the knowledge of the management, and there may be some defalcations in terms of deposit in cash book. So these irregularities and anomalies are revealed by BRS. So these may be described as a stetho of a doctor. A doctor uses stetho to check the health of a patient. So also the accountants uses this tool, the BRS, to check the verify, to check the authenticity of the bank balance as shown by cash book. So these are the main purpose. And what are the main causes of difference we have already discussed. So in a nutshell, bank reconciliation statement is a report containing causes of differences between the bank balance as per passbook and bank balance per cash book on a particular date, and to bring a parity among the two balances, and to verify the bank balance as disclosed by cash book on that particular date. This is the definition. This is the main definition of BRS. And the purpose is to detect any error or any discrepancy either in terms of withdrawal and deposit between the bank and cash transactions. So this is all about bank today. Before I say goodbye to you, I shall once again appeal to all my subscribed and unsubscribed listeners to subscribe my channel for wide circulation among students community. Thank you. Goodbye.